this tutorial, I will show you how to organize your data in frequency distribution and histogram. First of all, for each variable, let's say x, you need to know where are the values. In my case, the variable is recorded in cell B5 to B45 in this column, and I have the consecutive number of each values and the counts of each possible value. -3 appears 5 times, -2 appear 5, -3 3 times, -1 7. The value of 0 appears 11 times in this distribution, so the frequency of 0 is 11. The frequency of value 1 is 7. Again, we can see, we count how many times each value appears, 7. The frequency of value 2 is 5. It means that 2 appears 5 times in the distribution, and value 3 appears 3 times. So this is the frequency table. We have all values that are possible for this data and corresponding frequencies. Now we want to calculate the average, and to calculate average we have to get all values recorded in B5 to B45, the values of the variable. Then we will calculate the mode, again from B5 to B45, and the median, B5, all values in cell B5 to B45. This is the frequency distribution table, and you can see that there is symmetry with respect to the 0 value. The histogram I will do in an unusual way. There are faster ways to make histogram, but I start with the scatter plot, then convert the scatter plot into bar graph without gaps, and then make the bar graph a little nicer. The horizontal axis has all values, x from -3 to +3, these are the values of the variable, and vertical axis has the frequency of each value, called f of x. You can see that the function is symmetrical. Symmetrical function. We will change the title of this bar graph or this histogram, a symmetrical histogram. And to make clear what I mean under symmetrical, first of all, mean, mode and median are equal. They have 0 values, and if I draw a perpendicular line through the 0 value, the two parts of the histogram are mirror images to each other, the left and the right side of this histogram, with respect to the line in the middle. Now let's see some asymmetrical frequency distribution. I changed a little bit all values in this variable. The maximum this time is not on 0, but the maximum is in value 1. 1 appears 11 times, the value 2 appears 5 times, and value 3 times. Now let's see what is happening with the mean, median and mode. They are changing because we have quite large values with higher frequencies. Data is recorded from C4 to C36. The mean is 0.32, the mode C3, C36 is the range, the mode is 1, and the median is 0.5. So we have quite asymmetrical situation. The mean, median, mode are on different spots. Let's visualize this once again. First as a scatter plot. Then I will convert the scatter plot in bar, change the type into bar graphs. We'll get a better bar graphs, and when they are adjacent we call this histogram. X is on the horizontal, the values of x are on the horizontal axis, and f of x, the frequencies of each value, are on vertical axis. This is an example of negatively skewed histogram. Why we call it negatively skewed? There is a reason. If you look, one side of the histogram is kind of elongated. Towards the negative direction we have a longer tail. Mode is larger than median, but median is larger than the mean. So kind of they are dislocated, the mode, median and mean. This is another symbol of asymmetry. So now I am looking to explain the tail. The tail is larger in the negative direction of our values, and skewed, the curve is skewed to the left or negatively skewed. We have a longer tail. Now I will use kind of color to explain what is happening. So when the tail is longer in the negative direction, we call this negatively skewed distribution. And you can see that making a histogram with Excel takes a little bit more time, but in doing a histogram with Excel we have a very serious control over what we want to see on this histogram. There are faster ways to make histogram in Excel, but I would like to show you how to use Excel to visualize your data. And this is another distribution which is skewed, this time positively skewed. These are the frequencies 7, 11, 7. So as we can see, the tail this time is to the right side of the distribution. Let's move to the bar graph. The average, and I'm showing here that I can just go over the column with values and find the average, -805. The mode C4 to C44 is -2, and the median C4 to C44, the median is -1. So median, the mean is the larger number. They are all negative, so the smaller the absolute value, the larger the number. Then comes the median, and then the mode of this distribution. And this is all for negatively and positively skewed distribution. You can see that the curve is elongated, the tail is elongated to the right, and this is a positively skewed histogram. If you can think of, let's say, income, it means that very few people have income higher than average. Most people have income lower than the average. Negative values only if we have some delta.